On LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the mad, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we forget to turn on one of our lights and where we ride the waves of the market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me this evening. It is a Wednesday, August 12th, 2026 at 10:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sorry I'm a little late. I completely forgot to schedule the stream when I did my stream prep earlier. Whoops. I got a little bit lost in the charts. You know, you pull the charts up and you know, you get to the computer and you're like, all right, I got to schedule my stream. So you open up the Google, but then you see the trading view icon, so you click on that too because you're like, I'm gonna need that too. And then, you know, the charts pull up, and next thing you know, you're charting. What's going on? Duality C, not of this world. What's going on, bro? How you doing, my alien brother? Thank you for being here. Rudy LTX. LTX, is that the lattice exchange? That's because that's something I haven't heard from in a while. I haven't even looked at that chart in a while. My goodness, my hair is not acting right. All right, anyways, let's get over to the charts. I created a wave ribbon, guys. I created a wave ribbon. I reverse engineered a certain indicator, and then I put my own settings on it. And I'm still in the middle of adjusting it. I know I said I would stop making indicators, but you know, this one was just, I needed one more thing. So I'm thinking, once I get this dialed in and I get my two other strategy indicators dialed in, or three other ones. I don't know if I'll do that first one. I don't know. We'll see. But once I get all of them like dialed in, the goal is to put them all together into one thing, one package, and see what happens. Just see what happens. But yeah, thank you for being here. I am curious. LTX USDT. Okay, it's not even coming up, is it? Yeah, I figured. Wait, I don't know if it would have been on. Was it ever on TradingView? Yeah, the lattice token. Please wait. We are loading chart data. Down 1% today. All time? All time below launch price. The lattice exchange. Where's my music? Perfect for Lunar Beaches. I might need to turn it down on my headphones though. All right, so we got, let's see, lattice exchange. 60, almost 62K in volume on the 24-hour. Max supply 100 million, total supply 100 million, circulating supply 28.65 million, fully diluted value almost $1 million. What's its market cap? Ooh. Market cap 286.3K. That's a pretty decent discrepancy there. Let's see. Lattice Exchange wrapped ETH, USDT on Biconomy, and on Bitrue. Bitrue, that's an exchange I used to use. It's an exchange built on the XRP ledger, I believe. So yeah. All right, let's take a look-see here. Let's go over here to Bitcoin. We'll hide this for now. All right, Bitcoin getting the dumpsy do today. We were expecting, well, I guess we got a little bit more of a dumpsy do today. We had a retrace and then a dump. So not too much different from yesterday, huh? On Tuesday, Wednesday, exact same thing. So that's kind of crazy. Let's see, we got equal highs, of course. Equal highs, so this is gonna be a liquidity level. So we'll have to watch the liquidity up here. See if price can reclaim the swing low anchor VWAP. Make its way and the point of control. See if it comes up and sweeps those and then gets another shift to the downside. I still think more downside. We shall see. Because this looks like potential ABC. Could see an ABC of its own, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would look for a potential bounce right around here, right around 62,750. I have this level marked for some reason, a high volume node. So we got a high volume node. Agreed, more downside. Yeah. And it might just come down. LBC. I don't know if it'll tag the equal highs or not. It might reject the either the anchor VWAP, swing low anchor VWAP, the point of control, or the equal highs. So regardless, there's some stuff in the way before I believe we'll have more downside. Agreed, more downside. Excellent. So we do have the value area low down here. We do have a high volume node just outside of that, right at about 60,147, which is the actual demand zone. I don't know why I pulled that one so short, but that is the demand zone. And we shall see, start from the last high to the last low. That's going to be my demand zone, and this is going to be the buy zone. I think I actually have it on this one. It's on the wrong chart. There we go. The wrong template. So that's the general idea. We'll see if we actually get we'll see if we get a retrace or not. That's what I was looking for. So guys, I am very burnt out, literally, from the sun. And I was at one job today for almost 6 hours, just baking in the sun. So that's fun. And so I survived, though. I survived. Let's see. Prime Oscillator Pro Plus. Money flow coming to the downside on the 4-hour. Momentum. Potential little push and then roll over. And then we'll see if it'll give a bullish divergence. Something like this. Money flow. Kind of trickling like this. If we get them both firing at the same time, then hopefully that gives us a bullish push out of this range and out of the depths of the bear market. Yes, I'm saying this could be the bottom. Who knows? We could come up here, take these highs, and then run it back down. Going into, look at that, perfect, October. So who knows? No one knows for sure. History says we should bottom sometime in Q4. And we'll see. Either way, I believe we are in the bottoming phase of the market. And yeah, we'll see where we go. Oh man. Let's see, Salama. Ooh, that's not what I wanted to see. I literally have not looked at any macro charts today. Okay, so, well, we came up, we swept the equal highs. We're getting the pullback. Problem is, we've come back to the bottom of the range, and now we're consolidating at the bottom of the range. And that's not ideal. Not ideal. If we want to see continuation here for Solana. However, I say that, but now that I think about it, if we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we might have swept the highs. And then we get an ABC of some kind. A, B, C, hold the low, and then this could be a 1, 2, 3, break the high on the third wave as always, 4, 5 to the 7, 8, 6. It's possible. Wave counts there. Ride the waves. Hit that like for riding the waves. And that could be part of a bigger... no. Well, I mean, no. That could still be a 1, 2. And this is just... This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is 1, then that would mean this is 2. And all of this could be 3, 4, 5. A little bit Elliott wave stuff. That doesn't work. Can't see it. Okay, how you guys doing? A little bit dead tonight, but that's okay. Trust me when I say we won't be dead for too much longer. Because things are about to change. I feel some things, I think things are about to change. Doge, what a dump. What a piece of ish. Ugly. Alright, let's look at some macro stuff. Since there's just 3 of us here. Hi David and Wave Riders. Alexandra G. Mod Queen, Mod Boss, Mod God. Thank you for being here and thank you for pinning the Discord link in the chat. I do greatly appreciate you doing that. I think that was you. Could have been Duality C. I don't know about... Wait, maybe? I don't know. WaveCipher sending over the Wave gang. What's going on, Wave? Gang. How you doing? How you been? How's your mama nims? Equal lows on the link. Equal highs, equal lows. Tap fair value gap. And then maybe come up. Take the equal highs. Come into order block. And reject. Yo, Bearded Mac Mike. What's up, my friend? How you doing? Hopefully you're doing swell. Hopefully you guys haven't been having to deal with the heat like I have. I know it's like everywhere though, so I just don't know if it's quite like where I live. I'm sure it's even hotter in some places. I mean, I know it is. In the US, I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We blocked this out last night. Came down and tapped right off of it. I mean, we still have some high volume nodes down here, so I'm in Texas, so yes I have. Yeah, there you go. What's Texas heat like? Cause I know Memphis heat and it sucks. Cause it's very humid. It's you can barely breathe type of stuff. But I've never been to Texas in the middle of summer, I don't believe. In fact, I've only been to Texas once, and that was literally in the middle of winter. It was, oh, what day exactly was it? December 28th of 2019. Because I went to the Penn State Memphis game at the Cotton Bowl, where Memphis lost 53-39, lost by 14 points. And honestly, I was proud of that. Yo, JR, J Rizzle, the Rizzler. What's going on, bruh? 104 today. I'll be in Vegas next week. 108, yeah. 104? Yeah, it was, it got up to like 94 today. 94, and it was, feels like of like 108. But like tomorrow is supposed to be even hotter. And then Friday is supposed to be even hotter than that. And then it's just a heat wave for like the next week. Upper 90s, around 100. Usual stuff this time of year in August. Everybody always thinks, oh, July. July is when it's the hottest. No, it's August. It's always August. Except for 1 year. I do remember 1 year where we had 2 straight weeks. See, it's like when it's hot, when July is hotter than August, it's usually like way hotter. We had 2 straight weeks of over 100-degree temperature and feels like in the 120s, and humidity through the roof. It was almost like stepping into a super hot sauna, and thicker. Like you just couldn't breathe. Like it was bad. Feels like you're in an oven. When I went last year, it was 115. Freaking insane, dude. Blame the child. Blame El Nino. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, I'll blame El Nino. I'll blame the government. I'll blame the globalist. You know, whatever you want me to. Hey, what happened? I thought we were supposed to float off into space today. We were supposed to lose gravity for 7 seconds today. Or so my friend told me.
Liquidity waits.
H bar, almost down into the demand zone. Let's go. Almost there. What else are we looking at? Ave. Wow, I need more history. I feel like that might be it. I don't really... I'll just go here. See that, because that's already tapped its demand zone. Do we have more history? Crypto? Crypto? Yeah, there we go. Oh, God. Hope it doesn't come all the way down here. I don't think so. Let's go to the daily. Let's see. Is there a little push? Okay, there we go. This is what I want. Right here. This last move down. Really, I'll mark off this other one too. Look at that. Bing! Ooh, you got a ways to go. If this is the demand zone we're going for. Outside of that, potentially already tapped its demand zone and bottomed, potentially. Tap the bear market lows. We'll see. Hi, Rudy. Oh, I said hi to Rudy, but that's okay. We still got gravity up here. You know? Yeah, same down here. We did have a solar eclipse today, though, and apparent meteor shower. I'm gonna see if my friend's even right about that, because same friend that told me that there's a meteor shower tonight also told me we would we would lose gravity today. So, Perseid. I know I've heard this one, or I've actually seen this before, I think. Meteor shower tonight. Here's when, where, and how to see it. I'm trying not to blind your eyes, so I'm just going to read it. The Perseid? I don't know how to say it. Meteor shower, one of the most prolific and impressive meteor showers of the year, peaks tonight. Widely regarded as one of the best meteor showers of the year, the Perseids can proceed up to 100 meteors per hour. Wow, that's more than one a minute. Under ideal viewing conditions, of course, and weather permitting. This year's display is particularly favorable because the shower peaks on the night of the new moon. Ooh. Leaving skies free from bright moonlight. Wait, we got a new moon this week and we dumped? I'm not saying. 67% of the time, it works every time. This year's display is particularly favorable. Yeah. The Perseids can produce meteors throughout the night, but best viewing begins around 11 p.m. local time. Oh, sweet. Just an hour after the stream when I should be in bed. With activity increasing after midnight, of course, and continuing until the pre-dawn hours. Cool. Who's watching some meteor shower tonight? Yes, bare moon. What up, Harpsky? How you doing, bro? Hope you're doing well. More equal highs that just want to get taken. I don't know. Look, every time I set one of these, I just need to set an alarm. An alert. Crossing, horizontal ray. I gotta start doing that, to be honest. Trigger once per bar. Expiration, open-ended. Okay. Excuse me. All right, got that set up. AI XBT. Who knows if it's found its bottom? Crypto. Yeah, who knows? It's finding. It's in bearish price discovery, basically. I mean, we did have the October 10 wick over here, but we can act like that doesn't exist for now, because it was quite an anomaly, quite a phenomenon. But it did take these equal lows. Of course, can't see that. I just so happened to get that. Come on now.
LBC.
There we go. Okay, took equal lows and reclaimed them. I don't know that I like these lows, and we're getting overbought a little bit. Or I should say we're peaking on our momentum on the daily. There's no volume. Hold on, there's no volume on this. Kraken? Crypto.com maybe? Who even uses crypto.com anymore? Like, for real. Doesn't even line up like the other one does. There's a, we got a, I don't know what else to call it other than a blood diamond. A red diamond. We got a diamond shift. That's what Chart Prime calls it. Diamond shift on the daily. See, last time we got one, we had this move down. How big of a move? From the close when it printed to the very bottom, 12.8% on the daily. You had one here at this high, and that ended all the way down here. And that's it for the daily chart. But we just printed one here. It has given us a pullback, but that doesn't mean it's over. Let's go to the 4 hour. LBC. 4 hour diamond shift, push higher. Diamond shift, little pullback, push higher. 4 hour doesn't seem to be working too well. $12 hour. Closer. Looks like the daily wins on that one. AIXBT though. I mean, the structure, it's got to take structure. So I would say this high first. It's got to take the 0.21 cents. And I would prefer a back test and a push, confirming this level as support. If it sweeps and then comes back down, well, now it's got to take this out and confirm as support. If it can confirm a previous high as support, confirming by taking the level, giving a back test on a lower time frame, and getting a push, now this can be confirmed as support and the move can be validated. Harpski, JR, J Rizzle, make sure you guys subscribe to JR, the Ninja Art of Crypto. Friend of the channel, bro of the channel. Fellow wave rider. And trade crusher. Crushing the trades. In the Discord too. Make sure you guys join my Discord. It's free. JR is always throwing some setups in there. He doesn't have to do that. Doesn't have to do that, mate. JR, how long have you been trading, bro? Not for long. I'm still, I don't think. It's still like excellent. Excellent. A studier of trades, of trading, of charting. All right. Where's all set? All right, you want to see it, JR, instead of just a screenshot? I've actually changed the settings so that it's a bit more to my likings. I've got to fix that. This is not the type of entry that I want. And let's get rid of all the noise here. Why isn't it getting rid of the... Ah.
Real fast. Shark attack. Shark attack. Wave riders.
I literally said...
Something underneath. Moving real fast. LBC.
Turn all these off. Oh, trade markers are still on. Damn it. Here we go.
Moving real fast. Blood in the water. Something underneath. Moving real fast.
Pretty, push off, push off. Push off, push off, push off. This one's gonna be killer, guys. I'm just saying. I reverse engineered another indicator and I have turned it into my own. But I like adjusted the settings so it's no longer a 1-to-1 with that other indicator. Out of respect, I won't say which indicator it is. I set it in JR's stream this morning. And so if you just must know, it's on his stream. But so I've got it set up to where I can, as I usually do, to where it'll create trades. So I'm back testing different types of trades, different types of, seeing what all kind of outcomes I get. One of them is a breakout, or not a breakout, but like you get above and you pull back, of course. It's just a straight enter as soon as you tap the ribbon. And then another one is require a candle close off, or require the bounce and the candle close outside of the ribbon. Because this is just a fancy EMA ribbon is all it is. And then yeah, a bunch of other ones. Just a wick test, a close inside, plus a push away. Yeah, I could just click on it. One is just enter when it flips. When you get a flip of the ribbon. But I want to use it for scalps. Kind of want to get, let's go to a different chart. Let's go to Binance. So for scalps, I'm also fixing it. I'm also I was working on the code before the stream. I wasn't able to get the latest in there, but I created blockers, like trade blockers. Hormone block? No. I created blockers for the wick test trades, where where it enters as soon as it taps, right? And now which one was it? Where was it? There was one recently. I think I was on the 5-minute. I think it was this one. So as soon as stuff like this, so as soon as it comes up to it, it's gonna enter the trade, and it's going to count that as a trade, and so, or as an entry, and it'll place the short because we're bearish ribbon. And if I have it set to do ATR this side of the ribbon, ATR 1, so whatever that turns out to be, and then do a 2-to-1 base off of that. We'll say it was here. That actually hit target, but however it's set, it didn't hit target. Instead, it got. I mean, as soon as you hit here, it's not hitting target because you're getting stopped out immediately, right? So, but then you can catch the other side potentially. So I am really honing in on this one because I like it a lot. Yeah, so I really like this one. And so I'm figuring out a way. A few ideas that I have. If you guys have any ideas, I'd love to hear them. Join the Discord. It's free, and tell me. Rudy sent Laughing Disco for 250 jewels. Well, thank you for laughing. Thanks for sending the Laughing Disco. I do greatly appreciate it, too. It's a party. A disco is appropriate for the music that's going on in the background. One of the trade blockers, because I wanted it to be preemptive, not reactive. Okay, so it's like, so what do we if there's like a bullish divergence, you know, within an X amount of bars prior to the push into it, negate the trade, right? Bullish divergence, push coming up to it, we're just gonna kill that trade. Another one was I'm not really sure. I don't remember them all. I literally was just doing them right before the stream, so I have no idea. I'm sorry. I don't remember off the top of my head. Told you my brain's fried right now. Soon as Mother Nature, as soon as the sun stops being a butthole, we'll be doing a little better. See, here's another one. Just burst through. Getting stopped out every time on that, so I was trying to think of ways to negate those, at least, you know, have some kind of filter on them. Another one was like consolidation ranges. Probably has a hard time with this one but it's based off of the width of the ribbon, so if it hasn't reached a certain threshold, then it's just considered chop. And I have a chop, it's actually called chop guard. I might change it, do some more LBC themed stuff, but which I haven't even played with the chop guard yet, of all things. But yeah, basically tries to negate trades or kill any trade ideas during periods of chop. So like this right here, it's a no-go. And I think one of the chop guards is like so many ribbon flips within so many bars. It's like, no, wait for a breakout, and the breakout's based on an ATR of those candles. And I wonder if it would have taken a short here. I mean, I know it would have on the back test, but see this trade all the time. Too historical? Is that what it is? I guess so. Oh, no, wait. I might have history turned off. Not markers, no. Ah. See, it took one here, killed any in here. I wonder if I turned off the guard, if it would show up. Enable chop guard. Let's remove it. No? Nothing? Are both my trade engines on? Yep. Wow. Okay. That's kind of surprising. I mean, there's still no trades here, but other than the one over here, it's kind of weird. If I didn't have bugs in my code, or at least maybe not bugs, but if the logic was perfect, if only the logic was perfect, be doing a lot better. I don't know where I was going. Sorry. Also require tight range. Flip count look back bars. Flips required for chop 3. Enable chop guard. Show active chop range. Oh, active chop. Why not like show past chop range? Why? There's so many charts. Or freaking whatever. So maybe that's why I didn't show up, because it wasn't an active chart range or chop range. But I turned it back on and these are still firing off. So that's does my chop guard not work on my back test? See, this is why I look at this stuff. Sorry I'm boring you with this. Wow, it's not even that engine? Which one is it? Just flips? You shouldn't be taking flips though. If the chop guard actually worked. Obviously more work needs to be done. Getting a push here on Solana. All right. What are we at? 9:48. What's going on, Alan? I might call it early tonight, gang. I'm tired. Go outside, check out this meteor shower. See if I can catch anything, and gotta catch them all, and then go to bed. Breakout. Push. Equal lows on Bitcoin. At VWAP. Careful here. Better. All right, yeah. Man. You know, the people that show up for a few minutes and then just bounce, I'm gonna make them regret bouncing. One day. I'm just saying. I gotta be confident. Gotta be confident. They can always come back. Always welcome, no matter what. Oh man, look at that nice bullish CVD divergence on ADA. on the 3 minute, man. That would have been a nice play. Nice little push here. Nice little baby push. Got some equal highs up here. I hate these candles. It's just such a lack of liquidity, even on Bybit. But it's getting a push, man. ADA getting a push. CVD's following suit, so there's a little bit of proof in the move. See if it gets up to this prime block at about 18.0183s. And if it wants to sweep these over here, but as it gets, oh, back test, fair value gap. That might be worth a little scalpy long there. Oh, ooh, equal highs here too. Yeah, might get a little scalp long and then look for a rejection. We'll see if it can get a bounce, but equal lows though. Equal lows. Yeah. Done. Okay, got low 70, high 60 temp this week. Gotta take advantage. Just came out of the heat this week. Harp's always rubbing it in your face, dude. He's so rude. Why are you so rude, bro? You know we're not rude in the Wave gang. The Wave riders are not rude. What are you, some kind of phony? What do you suck? Alright, we're just not gonna get a pullback? Oh, maybe. I'm gonna leave that one up. See if it plays. Find out at 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna take my 100 plus 2 week nightmare. Nah, I'm good. Just take my heat and love it. 100 plus 2 week nightmare? Yeah, I don't know. Nah, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, guys. I do appreciate y'all for showing up and showing out. I enjoy your company as always, and I'm just tired. I'm ready to go to bed. So, sorry. Thank you guys. I greatly appreciate you for coming in this evening. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way out, subscribing to the channel if you're new, and hitting that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content and when I go live. Soon we'll be doing a lot of live trading. That's the goal. So, wow, 8 is still pushing right now. Jeez, it's completely negated the pullback. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep, and I will catch you then. Mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. Click all the links in the description. Bye.
The chart tells you everything. If you know where to look. LBC. Price moves. Liquid. liquidity waits.
Every high, every low, leave something behind.
Don't chase the wave.
Ride it, ride it.
Wave riders. We ride the waves. LBC.